Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Market did some real choppy moves this past week, but with the candlestick signals, it was pretty easy to see what was happening. There was the evening star signal right here at the T-line area that told us the bounce was over. They were taking it back down, but when they took it back down, we can see the hammer signal bounced off the 50-day moving average right about the same level it bounced before. And then today had bullish confirmation. Now the Dow didn't quite finish above the T line today, but the S&P 500 did, making it a Morningstar signal above the T line. Additionally, the NASDAQ opened lower or at the low on what is day? On Wednesday, and immediately started trading positive. This is called a belt hold signal. This provides an immense amount of information. It tells you all the sellers were wiped out and the bulls were stepping back in and sopping up all the selling. A double bottom. Then today, not only did it confirm the belt hold signal by trading positive, but the fact that they gapped it up and traded positive is a very bullish indication. So right now we're back to the scenario that we've had a strong buy signal and a close above the T line. We're probably still in a good strong uptrend. Not a strong uptrend, but at least an uptrend. This has allowed us to take advantage of the power signals. Notice NVIDIA did the exact same thing. A belt hold signal, and then not only gapped up, but gapped up above the 50, the T line, and up through the 34, breaking this downtrend, making this a very powerful reversal. And you have other stocks like Run. Notice the bear or the bullish left-right combo. That's merely a bullish engulfing signal after a doji, which makes it a stronger signal. On top of that, they gapped that one up today above the T line, definitely confirming the left-right combo, making the 50-day moving average your likely target. So this basically allows us to identify which stocks are the strongest in this next up move. It also illustrates how our kicker signals have a lot of strength built into them. Notice with all the oscillation in the market, the kicker signal on our Codex recommendation has stayed strong. Our kicker signal in IGT has provided a very strong uptrend. This is the strongest individual candlestick signal, tells you there's a dramatic change of investor sentiment. So with the NASDAQ producing this belt hold signal and then gapping up, we have to assume there's a lot more upside because of the probabilities created because of these signals. So what we're doing is this weekend, we're going to do a free training on using candlestick analysis or finding the strongest signals. The reason we're doing a free training is the H.J. Heinz concept. Living in Pittsburgh, very familiar with H.J. Heinz, which was started here. He started with his quality horseradish and took it around to potential customers and let them sample it, and they could see that it was a much higher quality product. That's the exact same thing we're trying to do with candlestick analysis, showing people that the logic behind candlestick analysis basically puts the probabilities in your favor every time you see a candlestick signal, knowing what the results should be. So join us, it's free. We usually spend about an hour, hour and a half, and you'll get a lot more information than you expect. So with that, everybody have a good trading. We'll see you in the chat rooms.